So this is our solar system and our mighty sun. There are total 8 planets in our family, and this is our beautiful planet Earth where we are living now. When I was a kid, I was very curious about our universe. I always wanted to buy a telescope to observe the universe, and my dream came true in 14th March 2025 when I bought my first telescope. I was too happy to express it. Now with the help of that telescope I am here, and today I am going to show you planet Venus with my telescope. Venus is the second planet from our sun, and it is the hottest planet in our entire solar system. Many people believe that Mercury is the hottest planet in our solar system, but they are wrong. Cause Mercury might be closer to sun, but it has no atmosphere to sustain that heat. On the other hand, Venus has a thick atmosphere which is almost 90 times much heavier than our own Earth. The atmosphere is mainly made of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. Rain on Venus is made of concentrated sulfuric acid. It falls from a planet white cloud deck at about 48 km, but because Venus surface temperature reaches a scorching 465 degrees Celsius, this acid evaporates entirely before touching the ground. Venus has a unique and extremely slow retrograde rotation. It takes 243 Earth days to complete a single spin on its axis, which is longer than a 225 days orbit around the Sun. Consequently, the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. You might not believe, but Venus was once Earth's near twin with a temperate climate and oceans. But today it is a hellish inferno with a toxic atmosphere. The Soviet Union's Venera program was one of the greatest achievements in space history, representing the only missions ever to land on and photograph the surface of Venus. These are some photos of Venus. And this is the sound of planet Venus. Honestly, the sound is very scary. So without wasting any time, let's start the video.
I am sorry, Babu.
So this is my telescope, and you can see there is planet Venus right in the west. So let's capture it through my 60mm telescope, and for your information, my telescope lens is very dirty right now and I have to clean it. I will clean it later. Now let's focus on capturing Venus. You need a mobile adapter like this, and then you have to attach your eyepiece in it. Now I am going to remove the dust cap and attach my mobile phone with this adapter. Remember one thing, that you should always align the eyepiece to your phone correctly so that you can get best result. Now this is the live view of planet Venus through 12.5mm eyepiece. But I am not satisfied with this image cause it is very distorted. So I decided to clean my objective lens correctly. This is how it looks after cleaning the lens. After cleaning the objective lens, there is a huge improvement in our video quality. Now I can see the face of planet Venus. Then I started to stack the photos to get a fine picture. So after stacking, this is the photo I got, and there is a side by side comparison with Stellarium. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. God bless you. Have a nice day.